Hi everyone, this is Alan Lepofsky from Constellation Research, and here I am in San Francisco heading home after attending IBM Connect, IBM's conference dedicated to the collaboration software business. A quick recap of the event. Obviously, the key theme of the entire show was cognitive collaboration. What this means in English is IBM is looking at how they can leverage the capabilities of their Watson services, artificial intelligence services, to add elements to all of their collaboration software to allow people to get their job done more easily, automate things, filter things, find relevance, etc. So the IBM collaboration platform is divided roughly into three categories. You have the Notes Domino business, including their new email client IBM Verse. You have the IBM Watson workspace sort of environment, and then you have the IBM Connections environment. As a quick recap from just a few of the things that took place during the conference. In the Notes Domino world, they announced that they're extending support for the Domino platform until 2021 at a minimum. And then the main thing they focused on at the conference is a whole bunch of business partner tools and services to help modernize the applications that you have running in the Domino environment. In the Verse world of their new email client, they sort of recapped some of the things they did in 2016, including delivering at the end of the year an on-premises version. But then they talked about new features such as a dedicated inbox for calendar, which is pretty cool. It's a way to really manage your calendar a lot easier. And then they talked about the future of a more cognitive inbox, so meaning an inbox that can actually filter email based on importance and relevance and things like that, not just based on sender and date and time, but really find you the messages that you need to focus on. In the Connections world, they talked about Connections 6, the next upcoming version, which is going to have new features like a new homepage called Orient Me that shows you the documents and people and things that are most important, a new onboarding experience that's going to help users get started, and the ability to customize communities and brand them and change the layout and the widgets and things to be more personalized or customized for those communities. The main thing in the Connections world that they talked about, and perhaps one of the most exciting things about the conference, is a project called Codename Pink, which is the future of the Connections platform, which is Connections essentially rewritten, rebuilt on a more modern microarchitecture, so it can be componentized, different pieces can be upgraded at different times, etc. They're just getting started on that project, but it's really interesting. They also announced something called Live Grid, which is sort of a application builder platform that people can sort of assemble little micro applications for themselves. And then finally, in the IBM Watson workspace world, not a lot new since the initial announcement at World of Watson last year, but Watson Workspace is their group messaging client. It's still, or group chat client or persistent chat client. It's still in private beta, but if you want access, you can find someone that has it and they can invite you in. So there's a quick recap of IBM Connect. Obviously a lot more happened during the week than I can say in 3 minutes, but if you have any questions, I'll happy to answer them and provide more detail. This is Al.